Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chougule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA First, Optional English. Name of the paper number 2nd is Modern Indian Writing in English Translation for the semester 2nd. Let us know the critical review of the play The Dread Departure by Satish Alekar. Satish Alekar is one of the most influential and progressive playwright of the post-independence India, from among the trio with Vijay Tendulkar and Mahesh Elkunchelwar that shaped modern Marathi theatre. Throughout his plays, he exploits tradition and deals with extraordinary themes and treats them from a new practical point of view. He is well known for his ironic perspective on life. In Dread Departure, he mocks at the overt seriousness and malpractices that are undergoing with the death rites. The play is a new experiment in Marathi theatre by his unique use of black humor, language style, and absurdity. Satish Alekar conveys the oblique sense of reality. The Dread Departure is a comedy that employs black humor, a subgenre of comedy and satire in which laughter arises from cynicism. Andre Breton deals with the topics and events that are usually regarded as taboo. Especially, death is treated as unusually humorous and satirical manner while retaining their seriousness. The intent of black comedy, therefore, is often for the audience to experience both laughter and discomfort. As Brechet says, humor is a sense of distance. The idea of distancing lies at the very center of Brechet's theory. The familiar things are seen to be unfamiliar. Brechet defines distancing as a representation that alienates is one which allows us to recognize its subject, but at the same time makes it seem unfamiliar. This distancing effect is used by the dramatist to make familiar aspect of the present social reality seem strange, so as to prevent the emotional identification or involvement of the audience with the characters and their action in the play. The aim was to evoke critical distance and attitude in audience's mind in order to arouse them to take action against, rather than simply to accept the state of society and behavior represented on the stage. In this play, Satish Alekar employs black humor that results into distancing effect. The very title of the play, Mahanirvan, translated as The Dread Departure, sounds parody. The word Mahanirvan literally stands for departing of great souls and sages. But in this play, it deals contrary with the death of a common middle class man, Bahurao, who resides in a typical Maharashtrian chal with his wife Rama and son Nana. It is author's deliberate attempt to discouraged, and with his religious attitude, he strikes to the effect of distancing. Bridget and his theory of distancing effect are influenced by Marx's concept of alienation. Marx uses alienation effect in the political context. Bridget uses it comparatively for socio-political point of view and to bring social moral purpose to the theatre. Here in The Dread Departure, Satish Alekar has used it with socio-cultural context. He uses themes dealing with religious rituals which are close to the heart of Indians. The Dread Departure is an usually irrelevant text that plays with traditional Marathi musical mode of the morning kirtan and the theme of death. In Hindu culture, death is something not only tragic but also inauspicious, unmentionable, not to be discussed, and certainly never to be joked about or made fun of it. Satish Alekar here breaks a long-standing Indian theatrical tradition. Not only he depicts a taboo subject of death on the stage, but also present it with a mixture of realism, absurdity, song, dance, and shuddering blank humor. The story is about a dead man who wants to be cremated the way he wants to be and not other way, and lives on as a dead man till he shrink, and his son Nana battles with civic rules to honor his father's last wishes, and his widow gets enamored by ghostly lover. Even the writer has used many synonyms for death, such as crisis day, most dire day, and a rare day for neighbors, calamity, dread departure, etc. As the play is about a man's death, depicts the religious rituals and traditions. Those are related with death and after death. Pouring of the Ganga water and putting basil leaf in the mouth of Kedar, picking up the bier on shoulders, cremation of giving fire to the pyre, the 10th day offering of rice balls to the dead, 13th day feast for pall-bearers, etc. are evidences of ritual of typical Hindu culture. Satish Alekar's main focal point is not to glorify the rituals, but to mock at the malpractices and blind beliefs which are prevailing and dominating over the centuries on society. Not even he points out the culture or tradition, but brings out the pitfalls and their irrelevance in the contemporary society. He questions directly to the old customs and rituals, and this questioning brings out his distance from culture to tradition. Living under the threat of tradition, no one dares to question the rituals. But Nana in the first act is seen questioning when all the neighbors are waiting for Nana, a son who will light the fire to the crops of the father Bhaurao. His reaction over the situation is, "You should not have waited. Don't you know that it will begin to decompose?" Though it seems ironic, it is practically apt. The scene of two quarreling men fighting with each other over the issue of offering rice balls to the crow on the 10th day, and finally culminating into throwing of rice balls at each other, is parody of selfish, self-centered human being. This religious attitude successfully brings distancing effect. To achieving distancing effect, actor has to make clear to his audience, his guests, or social attitude, his basic disposition. His character from the actions of the person he portrayed. Sometimes the actor has to do his work objectively. He would speak with a certain resent or distance or repeat an action slowly or stop to explain the audience what he was doing. In The Dread Departure, the protagonist is not a live human being but dead Bahurao's soul. The dead Bahurao plays a narrator, commentator role throughout the play. In the act first, we see Bahurao as a narrator, and in the act second, Nana is narrator and takes the lead. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.